Director ICAR NRC on Pigs Rani Guwahati Assam Dr Gupta. Ula kentuy kinong rep bat nong rijingri kathan East Giant Hills District ban shim ya kakam ri sniang kum kaway na kakam kabanlong kanong ay kamai ya kalong ying long sem ka jongki. Ya kani Dr Gupta ula kentu ha kajing yalang peliu jingmut jongki nong rep bat nong rijingri kabatip kum ka Research Extension Farmers Interface Meeting and Input Distribution Program kabahap hapo ka AICRP on Pigs, NRCP and Tribal Sub-Plan. Ya kajian lang la pendiat da ka ICAR National Research Center on Pigs Rani Guwahati Assam ringkat kajian lang ka KVK Giant Hills Bat Atma East Giant Hills District kabalalong hapelau ka East Side in Ladrambay Bypass Jal ya hakapat rig yayong. Dr Gupta hakajingkren ulaong ka sorkar kamsyam lakwa ikinong rep banri bat bamhi bat im Henry kajing tumuhi kalong ban ay jing hikayaki ha kabakin la banri na kabenta jongki bat na kabenta jongki weiru bat suki lengba kajing start jing syampang kisah la ban penbiang bat pendap syaki wei pat ki benta jongkari. Ha kabaya day bat kajing pang sniang ni African Swine Fever ulaong namar bom don ki dawayada bun ki sniang ki yapathar ha ki benta baper jong kathan syate la mingi khamtam ha kajela Mizoram ka tokat ni ki benta jong ka Assam kumju ha Meghalaya. Bat ki beriu ki banabar kum na Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh bat Tamil Nadu ki penbiang bun ba ki sniang syakathan bat ha usnam ubaladap ke jingyok kamai jongki kalong hajar kelur tengka. Kumta ula kentuy kinong rijing ka jela ki balong kinong bam ban penmi bat ban ri sniang na kebenta jongki da ke bapendon kami ki katto kat ni ki lat jing start ke juk benta bat ke ban yarap ban kiaru na ki ja jing pang sniang. Hakni kasi layo ru kejingkran na kesembur kongsan kakong JU Kharpuri Additional Deputy Commissioner East Giant Hills District kakong L Lakyang District Agriculture Officer kabakhmi ru ya katanat District Horticulture Officer bat Project Director Atma East Giant Hills District Dr R Suchiang Subject Matter Specialist KVK Giant Hills bat na Dr PJ Das Principal Scientist ICAR NRC on Pigs Rani Guwahati Assam ula ay kajing batay bnya halor kaphang scientific piggery farming. Hadin kajing yalang lasam ya kijing bam sniang grinder ki borti shakinong rep nalor ki weki lat jing yarap.
Today we have come here with a special purpose. As Government of India given us many programs at many point of times. Today we are arranging a program under a tribal sub-plan which is Government of India, a very ambitious program. And we go to the farmer's door where we talk to them to promote a particular art of the agriculture. Today itself we will talk to about the pig production, how a piggery can turn your life and turn to a commercial venture and improve the lifestyle of the pupils, especially in the northeastern region. Friends, today we have come with certain gifts for you. It's not a kind of a something which we are doing something extra for you. It's almost a 15 to 16 lakhs rupees. This includes the 500 bags of animal feed, especially piggery feed. Some very important items for household ladies. There's a mixture grinders. There are searchlight batteries, buckets. These are items which are day-to-day, which help you in your day-to-day life and promote your livelihood and lifestyle. Madam, our purpose which has been given to Government of India was by way of promoting the piggery in the tribal farmers. We do not want that they should grow and eat themselves and survive. That's not our purpose. Our purpose is to train them to the extent where they can grow for themselves and for others also, and slowly by way of their capacity building, by certain kind of trainings, they should become the entrepreneurs, so that they can supply the pig which they produce in their own units to other parts of the country. I can give you the example. In the recent past, you have heard that African swine fever, a disease. Because of that, so many pigs have been killed, died because of that disease. Because there is no vaccine for that, so still there is a lot of mortalities going on different parts, especially Mizoram, Assam, some part, and Meghalaya also a lot of mortalities happened. By saying this, that what I wanted to communicate, because there was a deficit of the animals in this region, So people from Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, they supplied large number of pigs to this region. And I can tell you the last year itself, it was a 2,000 crore rupees business of piggery, especially in Northeast region, by the people from other states. So why can't the people from this state, where the major consumer of the pig, can produce pig for themselves by using certain scientific mean of rearing, by avoiding the African swine fever type of diseases. So by keeping all these points in our mind, we did give the trainings also. Under Atma also, I will talk to the coordinator, Atma project coordinator, that if we can select certain farmers and bring them to Guwahati, where we can train them. If they are tribal, we can afford all sort of expenditure, their boarding, lodging for up to 3 to 5 days program, or through KVK also. This is our third and fourth program in the West Jantia also. We produced last year 2 programs. This is the first in this particular region. And our institute is located in just very border of the Meghalaya. So in Chirang area, where this also conduct few programs in that part also. So this is a kind of a starting, and we want to see that farmers from this area, especially the pig farmers, can grow, and what kind of support we can give in terms of animals, their feed, and whatever things are required. We are there, and we will be in the link with our KVK, Atma people also. They can start anew, afresh, with the help of state administration, as rightly Madam, the ADC Madam is here. We will seek her help also, how we can promote this piggery in this particular region. So hopefully, with due respect to this, with the rich cultured area, and we have seen the one glimpse of the how rich this area is in these cultural things. We want the farmers of this particular region may grow as a very advanced entrepreneur in piggery sector, which I could see this is a lot of scope is there. And you need a new entrepreneur, you need a new ventures in agriculture, and hopefully the ICR is always there to help you. Thank you very much.
Kani ka program kaba ai jingyarap ipi ban snuthu na kabenta kumnu ban penyar ya karep karyang hakini kitan hakini ka district hi Brockway hakishnong ki jompi Brockway ngai kublei ya pi baro inong rep kibalaya wanlang ban simbenta hakini program ha kaba kajing don ka jompi kanla ban pin sapriang yakni ko kubor wat lada kidon katu katni ki baklam yo shimbenta kajing yu jungpi ki nongrap anta kasngi ngatrai kani gadai ke beduna tam kabanga yu menta kasngi namarba dangbun napi pide ki nongrap hi dangbun napi ki baklam yo wan kani ka program menta kasngi ha ka bayadai bat kani ka kamrap kamriang ban pin sapriang ya ka jingmut jing berkhat bat kum juru ban pin peni jingai ya ka rukom rap ka bakam bha ka ban lat na kinu ki jing julor ya ka rap karyang
imimum imi dewa manu dok moyong yo kani yi ulai jakmat yi garak ikon kiti yong yi mum yi ule iwon tau upendap di lenu pelai skur kon le ini ni wem kami haki sinong haki yung kisem kyong kan kejumpa bete to mye ile wem kam ngani gari siang ada bun ma ko priang di bru to ile waduna bun ko priang di bru to wa siang sukika wa to wa uri itu sukses serang kam dari kita lembolis tu wan sin poi to sangka de ko mas kasniang wan di le ai di debiang ijingjo bahwa iti injek le man gi 90 hadu 95% man ko tikna ka pun kon sniang kagani to kubi ka jing start sense ka ni gua napo ka battery kwa pun siak jadi yo luti man ye bun be kam ni uri ki sniang daw yo bor yi napo ka depan ben napo district veterinary ni le ya kalam sinai challenge wan ra le ite kom pun kha khoni ki sniang de ka injek pi ka nim to ki sniang chnong wa chwa jori wa ri di snem la yo khian ba nyu em don ka jim kala yo ri rabam na no ka ram te ni ka si to ku ka si wa sia supha wa kam ti ri jiri sia wi ka jim kalam ngone wa pun ku ri jiri kam tam ki sniang
na dapat hi ngaju pa jo pro nya dui ni ka thau rep ka yong phi ka thau rep ka ba phi
nga ju pet ba ga jing khen ga jing dia yong ka thau rep ka ba yong ki ha chwao khang gi yong mo yong as per statistical data sir before the NGT ban on this coal mining, the statistical area of paddy was 4,338 hectares. 4,338 hectares. So, jan les pa le pa pra hectare em ka thau rep ka ba ha po East Jaintia chwa wo khang gi yong mo yong. Hadir wo khang gi yong mo yong wan le da kor unyi cha ka te ka data ko wa kat ni till 2023-24 there is just a 25 hectare increase from the previous one. That means now it is 4,363. So what does it mean? You would go at it. Mut ko wa maxing khang gi yong mo yong. U ko ko ba to u staple food yong i to wa im hong dami u ba. Te ka ta ka thau rep ka thau riang ka yong i. We po will not rep nga ka jen seng dong seng it u. Nei te dau ne ka ta ka jing khen ka jing dia ko wa du khang gi yong mo yong ta sa du ka mi gi sni. Nei ba da dam em ko ko ba kamaruman i gi tru ho East Jaintia. Te ka te to yu ka te to ka jing khen ka wa pen sia hai thit hai prakhat yong nga. Wa han pia mut ki bru seng dong seng it ki ya ka ta ka thau rep kham tam ko wa to yo ko ba ko yong ki. Nei ba ka ni to ka thau ko wo pen im ja ko wo i ko yang nga ya pi ki kon ki nat yong i. Te nei te dau nang kat wala ki te ki sni ki por to du yo ko ba ko to du yo su du nri wat hadu ki sing ki chermit wat hadu ki so ki pe ki sentu ki skot ki yong pi le de dang hiu him ni ki kam ki te ki thi ki kre ki wo pen im ja ya pi le da gru ni ne yang ko horticulture ki floriculture ki ginger ki turmeric ki so ki pe yong pi woro kita to ki wo yiu pen im ki wo yiu e livelihood ya pi hadu ka ringap hadu ka apiculture dan ni ka mushroom ka thungtin kita to ki ki kre ki wo i kam ki no rep ha ka juk ko ka ni em ka bu pakhat jangai to du ite wat hadu ka piggery ka sniang hadu ka sier ka poultry hadu ka fishery kita to undong rep kre to du ya agri horti hendrai kita ki allied activities ki wo ongi ki wo yiu pungku ya kata ka yok ka kot yong ki nong rep yong i te ka te to kwa u kun tu u sniang kun tu e men si da yi kam ki nong rep ki wo khian ki wo dei ki wo em ha po ka ni ka district yong i ho u pen julori hak pe hak sang dong i ka ni ka mariang ka yong i ya ka so dong ka so kun yong i hak makhani ka nei ba ha ka ta ka thau rep ka ba ka yong a ha ka ta ka thau wo thung sing thung chermit on la da ka ni ka so dong so kun yong pi do ko ye ka ta ka ecological balance ko ongi em ka ta ka jing her ka tarjur wa ki te ki jing im ki em so dong so kun yong i utaw ko ba da em ka jing chak ta utaw chermit pi la da em ka jing chak ta hadu ki wan ki jing thung da dam piang ka ta ka tarjur yong ka ni ka so dong so kun da em jing ta ko ya ki ni ki jing thung jing ta.
But we see there still lies a huge gap between the supply and demand chain. As we know also that majority of the population are non-vegetarian and pig is always an integral part of any functions or celebrations. Also sir, we are very happy that having such a collaboration with a very premier institute. We know that sir, your institute which looks after the whole nation, especially in piggery sector. So this type of collaboration will really help our farmers. And also these programs are what we have in this district. It wouldn't have been possible without the help of the office of the young energetic team from Atma East Jaintia Hills.